Hola, so we're gonna start with the last step of this chapter, paso 3. So we will talk about the conditional. Okay? What someone or somebody would do, or what would happen under certain conditions. So would, what I would do, that's the conditional. So, al ganar la lotería, mi abuela me daría dinero. So, by winning the lottery, my grandma or grandmother would give me money, But, she hasn't won the lottery, so she hasn't won it, so it may happen or it may never happen. Ella no podría usarlo todo, so she wouldn't be able to use it all, meaning all the money. So we know that the idea, the foundation of this tense is that something is to be under certain circumstances to use it. Okay, so let's see the conditional. So the conditional regular verbs, how we form it. We form it by adding the following endings to the whole infinitive. So here, this is the verb to speak or to say. This is the whole verb in the infinitive. So we're gonna add ia. Ia, ias, ia, íamos, iais, ian. So hablaría, hablarías, hablaría. So I would speak, you would speak. He or she or usted would speak. We would speak. And then vosotros in Spain, and then they or you guys would speak. So the infinitive is the basis for all the forms of regular verbs. They all need an accent, as you can see. Every form. So here in this chapter, then you can see all those verbs conjugated in the conditional. Tomar, to drink or to take. Comer, to eat. Vivir, to live. Tomaría, comería, viviría. Tomarías, comerías, vivirías. Tomaría, comería, viviría. Tomaríamos, comeríamos, viviríamos. Tomaríais, comeríais, viviríais. Tomarían, comerían, vivirían. In the future tense, we're gonna compare this when something is in the future and when something is in the conditional. So in the future, we might say, mañana en clase hablaré con el profesor, leeré un cuento chistoso y escribiré unas frases. So tomorrow, this is in the future, right? Tomorrow in class, I will speak with the professor, I will read a funny story, and I will write some phrases. But let's see now how we can change these verbs into the conditional. If something would help us that this could be a reality. So in the conditional, we would say, ayer pensé que hoy hablaría con el profesor, leería un cuento chistoso y escribiría unas frases. So yesterday I thought that today I would talk to the teacher, would read a funny story, and I would write some sentences. So because, the conditional is something that we need certain conditions to happen in order to use this tense. There are some irregular verbs, and so this conditional has the same irregular stems as the future, the same category. So you might remember the categories when we cover the future tense. And so here we're gonna drop the e and the se here to make it conditional. And here we're gonna drop se and e. So like that. And then we form the conditional. I would say, you would say, he or she would say. I would do, you would do, he or she would do. The second category, the e is dropped from the stem of the future. So here we're gonna drop this, that one, this one, and this one. So haber, habré, podré, querré, habría, podría, querría, sabría. So here, like I, it would be able to, and then poder, I would be able to, querer, I would want it, and then saber or sabría, I would know. And the third category, we drop either the A or the E of the infinitive ending and we replace it by a D. So we're gonna get rid of this one, that one, that one, and that one. And then it will be pondría, saldría, tendría, vendría. So the conditional is also used with verbs like deber, poder, and querer, and we use those to indicate politeness when we want to be polite. And so we don't want to say give an order to someone, but it's like a softened way to express wishes or make suggestions. Podrías hablar con tu jefe. So you could talk to your boss, and then we're using the conditional here. You know, this sounds polite. We're not saying talk to your boss. We're saying you could talk to your boss. So, podrías hablar con tu jefe. Or, deberíamos hablar con el jefe lo antes posible. We should speak with the boss as soon as possible. So, here we're not saying let's talk to the boss immediately or as soon as possible, but deberíamos hablar con el jefe. So, in use this way, it's basically to indicate politeness. And so here in the question, al estudiar en España, ¿qué harías? So if you were able to study in Spain, what would you do? Okay, so the situations are with a family, with a sponsor family or a host family, something with Spanish classes, and also learn how to dance flamenco. So the answers are, by living in Spain, what would you do? And so someone says, I would live with a host family. Viviría. I would take Spanish classes. Tomaría clases de español. I would learn to dance flamenco. So, aprendería a bailar flamenco. So here there's a practice for you to write down the correct conditional tense verb forms of the verbs provided in parentheses. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this presentation and we'll talk soon. Ciao!